Are you missing out on job opportunities and great connections on LinkedIn? Let me show you how to use LinkedIn the right way to get noticed and land that dream job. Oh, and by the way, this video is inspired by this guy who commented on a previous video, first saying, "This is a clickbait rage bait. Why?" He then proceeded to say, "Brother, LinkedIn is 10 times harder than Upwork. If getting exposure in Upwork is hard, do you expect LinkedIn to be easier? Come on, this is foul." Regardless of the platform that you're using to look for job opportunities as well as their challenges, there is still a chance of gaining exposure, and this is what it depends on. Hi, my name is Tyler and you're on What's Next, a company dedicated to helping people find their own space in the world of freelancing, job seeking, and even side hustles. Today, I'll show you how recruiters use LinkedIn, how you can build real connections, and how to grow a personal brand. If you do find this video helpful at any point, please do subscribe for more simple, straightforward, easy to follow content. Also, I'm trying to grow this channel to 2,000 subs by the end of 2025. So your contribution is extremely valuable to my growth, just as my video content may be valuable to your growth. So let's jump in. So recruiters find candidates mainly in two ways. They post jobs and wait for candidates to apply, or they search directly for the right people using some specialized tools that are built into LinkedIn. If your job profile doesn't show the right skills and experience, you might not even appear in their searches. So, having a clear, complete LinkedIn profile is key. Use the right words, add your skills wherever you can, upload a clean, professional-looking profile picture and banner, post on a regular basis, and make connections with people in the same industry or space as you or your recruiter is in. This can all help build long-term trust. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So jumping to LinkedIn, look for your profile picture or your name, and you will find yourself on this page. And here you can start updating your profile. So on the top right-hand side, you can see your profile language. Here, you can add languages to make sure that you are updated and efficient in whatever language you can speak. So when clicking on add language, you'll choose the actual language, and then you will start your Hindi profile or whatever language you choose with your name and your headline. You will also add all of your details in here, and you can make this your primary language if you'd like. You can also now go down to just beneath your profile picture in this section, and you'll see add profile section. Once you click on here, you will have three main sections: core, recommended, and additional. Under core, you can add all of your core attributes, such as your education, your position which you're currently holding, any services you offer. You can also add a career break and additional skills. Now, these are named core because these are the fundamentals of your LinkedIn profile. So each one, click on the section, add all of the details that are required in here, including the skills in each section. You can also add multiple sections here. So you can add multiple positions, education, services, and so forth. Make sure that you're going through each one of these sections and filling it out as much as possible. You'll see just at the bottom of each section, there is an add skill button. Make sure that you're adding all of the relevant skills right over here. You can now go to recommended. And here you can complete these sections, and this will increase your credibility and it'll give you access to more opportunities. This is when a recruiter is searching for a candidate for a job. So click on the section. You can go and add the section over here by clicking on the plus button. You can add a post, an article, a link, or you can just straight up add some media. Make sure that as you're going down here, again, you're filling out absolutely everything that you can, as well as the relevant skills, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. When you're done with these sections, you need to jump into the additional section, and this will add even more personality to your profile and will help you grow as well as network with people in the space that you are wanting to connect with. So if you have volunteer experience, any publications, patents, honors, awards, it's all in here. Make sure that you're going in and adding as much as you possibly can to these sections. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video or subscribing to the channel to show us your support. If you travel down on this page, you will find an experience section. And within this experience section, you can add experiences. So you can add a position or a career break directly here. If you are adding a position, it can be a previous position, and this will just show some good job history. So make sure that whatever you've done in the past, wherever you've worked, you can add this in here. And what's nice is this field over here will actually recognize specific companies, and if the company has a profile on LinkedIn, it'll actually be a verified experience. The last thing that I mentioned is continuously making connections. So as you go down, you can create a post, you can create comments, videos, images, articles, newsletters, events, documents. All of this can be added to your profile. One of the other ways of connecting with other people and staying active is having a home page or a feed where you're connected with people that are like-minded, as well as companies that you would potentially like to be involved with or work for. Go down in the feed and feel free to leave a comment, a like, a repost, share it with a friend, just so that you can be noticed and you're staying active within the LinkedIn community. So LinkedIn is more than just a platform for general job hunting. It's a powerful tool for building meaningful connections and growing your professional reputation. Be sure to keep your profile updated on a regular basis, be active on the platform, and network with people that are like-minded. Speaking of being updated, are you new to the online job marketplace scene? If so, you might actually find this video helpful as a beginner. Click on it and I'll see you over there.